Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the remote control of the Panasonic air conditioner. Like every air conditioner, it also has an on-off button. With the help of this button we can turn the air conditioner on and off. One of the most important buttons of this air conditioner is the mode button, and with its help we can change the modes of the air conditioner. Now the cursor is on the word cool. This is the cooling mode. Press the mode button, the cursor stops at the word dry. Press it once and it switches to auto mode. Press it again and it switches to heat mode. Since most users use the cooling mode, we will explain this mode first. Press the mode button and the cursor stops at the word cool. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner between 22-24 degrees Celsius. These temperatures are considered for comfortable for humans. In cooling mode, we can select the fan speed we want with the help of the fan speed button. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, high. The air swing button is used to change the direction of the airflow coming out of the air conditioner. When the word auto appears, the air conditioner is brought to the most suitable position in that mode. We can adjust the temperature with the temperature up and down buttons. The quite powerful button controls the maximum and quiet fan modes of the air conditioner. When you press the petrol button, the air conditioner checks the pollution, and if it is above the norm, then the E-ion function is activated. In this case, the air conditioner can collect a lot of dust. Now we will explain how to use other modes. We press the mode button again and the cursor stops in front of the word dry. This is a drying mode and serves to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner maintains the temperature in the house at 24 degrees Celsius. When the temperature drops, the air conditioner works in heating mode, and when it rises, it works in cooling mode. When you press the mode button again, the cursor will stop in front of the word heat. This is the heating mode. It is recommended to set the temperature between 27-30 degrees Celsius in heating mode. Because hot air is light, it accumulates on the ceiling and causes the air conditioner to turn on and off frequently. One of the most important issues here is selecting the auto speed with the fan speed button. To select the speed, press the button several times, and when the word auto appears, the air conditioner is considered to have switched to auto fan speed mode. In auto fan mode, the microprocessor selects the fan speed depending on the condensation temperature, and the air conditioner works more efficiently. There are reset, clock, set button on this remote control. We press the set button and we see the clock flashing on the screen. After setting the clock, we press the clock button. There are 2 ways to set the clock. If you hold the clock button for 10 seconds, you can switch to the AM/PM system. Now AM 1:45. After setting the time, we can use the timer. Let's say we want our air conditioner to turn on at AM 3. In this case, we press the timer on button and set the time to AM 3 and press the set button. If we want the air conditioner to turn off at 10 in the evening, then we press the timer off button and set it to 10 p.m. and press the set button. To exit the timer mode, we press the cancel button. retune the air conditioner remote control to the factory setting with the help of the reset button. Thank you for following us until the end.